vacuums. The change I use Hoover, Winter Light, Hoover 1, Dynamite, Power, whatever. Power 4s, Hoover Pet, Rewind, Shark, doesn't work. Shark, Hoover, Eureka, Elite, Hoover, Shark, Twin Shivers. This one, Eureka's tempting. This is also tempting. That's really tempting. That's all I'm gonna go with from my room. I'm going to use the Elite Rewind, purple one for the living room. Like that. This will be the first room vacuuming you will see of this. It's actually like one of the first videos you'll see of this Eureka Pet Pal capture, whatever contraption this is. Bagless crap in. Sound warning, the brush is rough. As usual.